Few stir and it is basically done. Yummy.
Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight, Appa is going to fry or stir fry glass noodle, yeah, or mung bean noodle. So I have approximately 2 pieces of mung bean noodles, and it is usually dried. So I actually have to I soak it under. I like to soak it under hot water for a couple of minutes to soften it until it is like half transparent like this, so that I can use it straight away. And it get cooked faster, yeah. It won't be chewy later. And I'm going to put in some of the veggie inside. You can put in any veggie you like, spring onion, anything. I have some cabbage here, and I have some fish. This is what fish cake, yeah. Basically, it's whatever I left in my fridge lah. I clearing my fridge again. Yes, yes, yes. I know some of you are shouting again. Okay, now egg, very important. I like the eggy flavor. And here, to give it more fragrance, we have some shallots, garlic. This is dried shrimp, yeah, heavy, and some chili. Of course, Appa is going to put in some of my cooking Appa chicken salt powder as well. So let's add in some oil here, 2 to 3 tablespoons to start with. Once the oil is heated up, you can put in your shallot, garlic, and also heavy, yeah, the dried prawn, dried shrimp. Dried shrimp actually is very important in this particular dish, as it will really brings out the nice flavor, yeah, of your noodles today. Don't do this without the dried shrimp. Seriously, you will like it. Saute this for about a minute before we continue. Once you start to see some garlic or shallot started to brown a little bit, you can actually put in the veggie and the fish cake. We can actually add in some my chicken powder to pre-season it. Wow, this is super fragrant. Seriously. Right, once you start to see the veggie started to soften a little bit, you can push everything aside. I've beaten the egg and put it in. You can give your egg a little bit of white pepper just now, and this is a bit of light soy sauce. Wow, this looks gorgeous, isn't it? Really nice. Alright, then you can actually mix everything up together. Do it on medium-high heat. Now all the flavor is inside. Next thing I'm going to add is some water. Not too much. A small bowl of water here. And we can actually season this with a bit of light soy sauce, a bit of oyster sauce, a little bit of salt, followed by a bit of sugar. Now that this broth is nicely flavored, I'm going to add in the glass noodle. Next thing, of course, you want to mix everything up nicely together. Now, if you're eating this dish in Thailand, they will not really add much water like what I did just now. Instead, they will use a lot of oil. So in the end, it is the one in Thailand is a lot more fragrant because they actually uses the oil to flavor your glass noodle. But the thing is, for local Malaysian, some of us may find it a little bit too oily, even though it's very fragrant at the same time. Right, so now I just want my glass noodle to soak out all the nice flavor. from the broth, then it is almost done. One thing I like about glass noodle is it soaks up flavor very easily and it doesn't break so easily like bihun. You see there's some broth here later, after the short while when you serve, you won't see any broth at all. Now, putting in the chili slices and few dashes of white pepper. Give it a few stir and it is basically done. Yummy! You can actually add in some garlic oil or sesame oil right now if you like, optional. Done! So here's my fried tong hun, and I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of fried garlic on top. This is of course optional. Done. So I hope you like my very simple video today. This is actually for 2 persons, 2 adults at least. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.